Wait, did you know black holes can make sound? Yeah, NASA just dropped actual audio from a black hole. And it's wild. It's from the Perseus galaxy, 250 million light-years away, and it sounds like a deep, creepy space roar. But here's the mind-blower: space isn't silent. These black holes create pressure ripples that scientists turned into sound waves. Real. Space. Noise. Imagine that. The universe literally humming with energy for millions of years. This isn't sci-fi. This is the real sound of a black hole. Still think space is quiet? Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to CurioStates for more facts that shake reality.